Let me go ahead and explain to you this problem. The problem is asking you to figure out the centripetal acceleration, and they're giving you the following information. The time is 4 seconds, revolutions 10, and they're giving you the R, which is equal to 1 meter. Now, you need to take in consideration the following formulas because these are the formulas that you're going to use to solve any problems that are related with centripetal acceleration. You have the formula for velocity right here, okay? 2 pi r divided by t. T is the period, and the period is calculated by taking the time over the number of revolutions. The centripetal acceleration is calculated by the velocity squared divided by r. So take a look at what I did here. The first step, I calculated the period, and that gave me 0.40 seconds. Then I went ahead and substituted that value in the velocity formula. So it's 2 times pi, which is 3.14 times 1 because that is the r, and then you have here the period, which is 0.40. You calculate that, and the calculator is giving you 15.7 meters per second. But remember that we have to use the correct number of significant figures, and I made a mistake here. This is supposed to be only 60 meters per second, two significant figures. So let's go ahead and cross that out. Now, to figure out the acceleration, you take the velocity, you square that, and you divide it by the r. The calculator is going to give you 256, but again, we have to follow the significant figures, so you need to round that to 260. 260 has two significant figures. So, what do you need to keep in mind? You need to keep in mind the formulas that are used to calculate velocity, period, and acceleration. Please let me know if you have any other questions.